The amuyi. Abasa Kennedy. How would you feel?
How would we feel? You might be asking your question to the people establishment. Yewura Wontumi, a chairman of a region, goes to even do a press conference, and he goes into the office of another candidate.
Yeah.
Una bebusa almost say, na say, ma wone na mu hiya Kennedy a mo be den. Wonso be den wa so ba. Won na so busa wo mo. Ye de be se lusu ya lusu.
Okay.
Ya won ya wone. Wo mo na busa se de mu nyina mo ko di akyi. Eba sa mbeden Asante fo ampisi e bebo am pii ya tu.
Oh really?
Oh of course.
Hey,
papa nya hwe abon nya.
Oh
of course.
Mo betu nkofo bebre.
Of course.
Is that how you?
Na Kennedy what
this is serious.
What a true campaign time Kennedy. Onye wonu campaign won krum. He goes around to.
And Kennedy abo ampisi bi dia akra or betu bebre.
Me akra me bato. I am telling you. Papa, oh, of course.
Whether you win or you lose.
Yes, we will make sure we let the people who are the bad apples out of the system.
And who are they?
I don't know. It's true. I will put them.
Now, I'm finding out. Within the team Kennedy Japan, our more MPP more. Do they have the right thinking people like a Stipe? Our munini ya moye young. I mean, a movie and to say Kennedy Japan. I say be no more crowd for moment to me and manage NPP for the time obey president. And admitted some waka kotuaba where we near we. Who is going to be his running mate? I know say you are not, but when I obey the part when they be the running mate.
Oh, when we get to the bridge now. I have always said
inside.
No. I've said to the candidate,
priority.
I mean, we don't want to use tribal things to rule a
who
country.
qualifies.
It's the qualification. It's the appropriate, the person who appeals to the people, who can demonstrate capacity to perform. Yeah, interested in we are not me my candidate. Yes, you true bridge na ya cross. Ebi kura ne hia oba, ebi ane hia kremoni, ebi ane hia Christoni, ebi ane hia bafai, ebi ane hia tigare. We are not there.
Yeah, you go with.
We will go with and do the right thing. Yeah, we need kosuswa. It do times here rua and yan kola ne do omo chese di yoka. Akola bi ade kere. We will go across the country. I'm making sure say we pick the right people, notwithstanding any political device. And I tell you, Metiwe's economic management is managed by a vice president and ministers of state. So you want me where minister, where MP, what they call minister, what they call criminal, what they call cabinet. We must bring independent people who have the mind to umbetim their research. And they about to abide him say, any so we NDC new, so we PCPO, so wherever. So we have to change the dynamics of the way we govern this country.
As we speak, I need to get this clear. Kennedy Akompra kwa Japan. Alan Kojochire Martin had the call saying, I mean, that's all back, Kumasi. Virtually about 70% of the casting was about talking good about Alan and helping protecting him. Had there more dreams? Whatever happens, there's some good alliance.
Not at all. Not at all.
Not at all. Alan,
no, we equally speak good about the vice president.
Okay.
I couldn't break where any time you know the Omona Jumache for making wrong or transit to the vice president.
Yeah.
On your Obia, I say, yeah, Alan was he was saying a nearby Yeditia Alan, and yet the party no and city up. Party ni yen hwe ye party ni me anka say o we dey okwa onko no your friend say formina emre
lawyer
yes onko emre through say po biama ave dey ye bum ko all he's trying to say is asem sia if you enter and rushing and resolve and sana get it out of hand. So those are the comments. Those are the signals you was given to, but it doesn't mean say you right, Martin. Fair say no.
Conspiracy theories be a making is more person would you party no from suppose a chim mafia and semna Sante type mufamu party as a Kennedy Japan Alan namo kabum na move party no to a different level. Is that the case? As a de facto chief of staff, Kennedy.
No. Obi aka cho say yen Alan for dreams ye be party free na. I have always told you say you believe in tribalism. Yes, so you believe in tribalism. In the Angasa, a chimfo aye, and ye Godina Busam catch say, you bet me nipo be di, ya be di a chino from anywhere.
Okay.
We are not the type of and then go for North Namra and then go for West Namra who qualify. The option for us is not to choose a vice president based on his religion or based on his ethnicity. It to be the person who bet me aye ejuma abua amagana afane ntumapa akonanim. The ni obia and your conspiracy say ye kwaji party e free achimsem but ye pesi ye ji party no e si ho. The party no it's not for us and the for I come for na saji die ni there as you nyina come together. Just imagine the establishment, everybody going around going to me man all regions, everybody is doing this now. Buza as a Kennedy when here woman and buzo one by day and I said next time election about could be mama so ben ho adwuma. Oh, of course. I'll put my life on that. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, of course.
You will not let Wontumi retain the seat as a regional chairman.
I'm saying I'll do my part, not for him to go.
Hey.
I did my part at John Bodu, and it worked.
Oh,
I was an architect. I wanted him out because he was not performing. Most of the chairman want to be. They are just talking. Yeah, embarrassing. Yes, at all. Me Kwamusu, I'm not saying as a person. I don't want to see people who are not performing. They just keep on talking. The arrogance. And near my Monsieur, there are some here to about Ghana and your programs. And did ye near Danny, near my Ekikambosono, and Nipa etiho haying.
Kennedy Agyapong chief of staff, you can just know. See Kennedy in you. Anyway, but I like your sincerity. No, I like your sincerity. I mean,
oh no.
Wontumi be call. MPs ni be bring so ba pamo.
Media me come as and then I say at the age of 71, I go on without problem.
You are 71 years.
Yes, but because me first shemu me ka e wa wasem so wodwene ho. Ye de obi te say Wontumi de kase because yampe obi o bias. It is a moment
on November 4th Kennedy Agyapong winning the MPP prabe flag bearer possibly Wontumi no nya adwuma.
One I saw near adwuma the yase no adwuma a party
ye
nyina be ko yakodi nkunim no but me say him as a person singularly we will campaign against him because me mpese edi obi be di akonya na eso ye fair to the banyina no we bias. How can we allow that to happen? You ask me.
No, I agree with you. I mean,
and we are saying that he has not demonstrated what it takes to be a chairman of a region.
Yeah,
he has not. I am saying that from the standpoint of his behavior, and that is all it is. I am not talking about anything animosity, but there will be a chairman or a party more as a so a chairman as so remain neutral. Now one traho and kwachi will be a jumanya. That person, it just happens to be Wontumi, does not qualify. And there are more other people in the system.
And they will all go.
We don't make the decision, but me say me mefa mentuma akwa ye compare tia wo.
Happy to have you this morning on my show. I'm grateful.
Thank you very much.
The next time we'll have Ken Nankasa Wahani and ready. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.